I saved up $10,000 working at Taco Bell for a year. Every single penny, from the late night shifts, dealing with drunk customers, Karens, and scrubbing grease off of my shoes. I then turned that into $10,000 in trading profits, feeling like I cracked the code, and then boom, in one day, I just lost it all. $10,000 down the drain. I went from thinking I was untouchable, a kid who went from tacos to trading riches, to then sitting in my car at 3 a.m. staring at a $0 account, wondering how I'd even pay for gas in my Honda Accord. Here's the truth no other trader tells you. Trading isn't about getting rich quick. It's about discipline and consistency. That day broke me, but it also taught me lessons that made me a better trader than I ever was. It happens to traders at every single level. Trading is not the highlight reel you see on social media. This is where you decide if you're going to quit or learn the biggest lessons of your life. Today, I'm going to share with you the most painful month of my trading career and the lessons that saved me from quitting forever. Because if you haven't been through this yet, you probably will. For 6 months, I was grinding at Taco Bell, saving up every single dollar I could, working doubles, working midnight shifts as a miner, even though I wasn't supposed to. And I would even stay up late, studying the charts, practicing risk management, looking at different patterns. I was basically obsessed. And when I finally had $10,000 to my name, I started trading small, risking 3 to 5% per trade, sticking to my plan like glue. And it worked. In just a few months, I turned that $10,000 into another $10,000 in profit. My win rate was around 70%. I was disciplined, patient, only taking A+ setups, and I felt like a king. Like I just escaped that life at Taco Bell for good. I was posting my wins on Twitter, now it's called X, and I was getting DMs like, bro, teach me. And I thought I had this Forex thing all figured out. I thought trading was it. Then I hit my first obstacle. 3 losing trades in a row. That's not a big deal, right? Except I couldn't let it go. I spent a year at Taco Bell, and now I was supposed to be this good trader. So me losing made me feel like a failure. So then I started breaking my rules. I bumped my risk from 5% to 10 to 15% per trade, thinking I'd make it all back fast. I stopped waiting for perfect setups, and I started chasing everything that moved. My discipline was crumbling. It was completely crushed, and it was replaced by this desperate need to prove to others that I wasn't a fluke. And this was the start of my downfall. One morning, I saw a setup that I knew wasn't perfect, but I was cocky. I risked 20% of my account, $4,000 on a single trade, and it tanked, and I lost $4,000 in an hour. Instead of stepping back, I went full revenge mode. I threw in another $3,000 into that trade to make it back. That I lost too. By the end of the day, I'd blown up the entire $10,000 profit and my original $10,000 that I saved from Taco Bell. All of that money gone in one day. I abandoned every single rule that got me to the point I was at. 1 to 5% risk per trade, A+ setups, journaling trades. Instead, I was trading like a gambler, not a professional trader. People would hit me up and I wouldn't even check my phone. I was done with life. That was probably the darkest time in my life. So I lost $20,000 total. Everything I spent a whole year building at Taco Bell. I couldn't even sleep. I would open my eyes, open my trading app, and then see that I had no money in my account. And I would still stare at the charts like a zombie. I was thinking to myself, was I ever good or was I just lucky? I was 16 at the time, and I had to go all the way back to square one. Nothing but a Taco Bell uniform in my closet. I felt like I let myself down, like I will keep on serving tacos for the rest of my life. I just felt like a disappointment. And then 3 weeks later, I was still a mess, but I asked myself, do I love trading or do I just want the money? I realized I love the game, the strategy, the psychology, the grind. And the problem wasn't my skills, it was my head. I let my ego and desperation take over. And that's when I knew I could come back, but only if I started rebuilding the right way. So I didn't trade for 2 months. Coincidentally, this is around the time that I also found God, which honestly just shows you how perfect his timing is. I made some boxing videos on TikTok that did pretty well and invested into some crypto. I made around $7,000 and I told myself this was money I couldn't afford to lose. So I started off fresh, risking 1 to 5% per trade. Again, no exceptions. I focused on the process, not profit. Started sticking to my plan, journaling every single trade, and walking away when I felt emotional. Consistency became my obsession. I didn't care about the big wins. I cared about doing it right every day. The lesson, it was discipline beats talent. Consistency beats luck. I'm a way better trader now than I was when I made that $10,000 because I know what it's like to lose it all and still show up. So all in all, even though I lost $10,000 in a day, it taught me that trading isn't about being a genius. It's about being disciplined. Ego will wreck you faster than any bad trade can. Consistency and sticking to your rules will save you. I'm trading again, making steady profits, and I'm less stressed than ever because I risk less and trust my process. If you've blown an account or you're stuck, this isn't the end. The problem was your discipline, which means you can still fix it. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. So I hope this helped you. If it did, like and follow, and let me know your story in the comments.